Hello. Today I'm gonna show you how to survive if you like hit a wall. Like, you don't lose any health if you hit something while you're on a motorcycle if you do this glitch. Alright, so you bring up your phone, keep it on internet, and then like when you're about to crash into something, bring up the internet. And then you shouldn't lose any health unless you like land like past it or whatever you just crashed into. But like if you crash into a house or something, it shouldn't be too bad. Like, here we go. Like this. See? I barely lost any health. And I just got like $539,000 from property management. And I brought up the internet before I hit that, so it like didn't do anything. But that time I hit the wall and I had the internet up, I didn't lose any health at all. I'm not sure if this glitch works in online, but I might make another video about that. And thank you for watching. You try this glitch out. If you're just like trying to be invincible, you can do this.
When I die and the limits are